Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using JAMOVI. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to perform one-way ANOVA in JAMOVI, post-hoc test and their interpretation. You can find more videos on JAMOVI, SPSS, RStudio, Mathematical Economics, MS Excel and Econometrics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's start with the meaning of one-way ANOVA. When we can use one-way ANOVA. So one-way ANOVA is used when we have two or more groups and we are interested in comparing the mean. Here all groups are mutually exclusive. So see this hypothetical data. I have data of 30 students. They are from three groups: art, science and management. So my nominal variable is stream, in which we have three categories: art, science and management. So we have more than two independent groups and their result out of 50. So now we are interested whether we have any stream wise significant difference in the result of students. So since we have more than two independent groups and we are interested in comparing the mean of the result, we can use one-way ANOVA. So what is the null hypothesis in this case? H naught, no significant difference in result of students among results of students, no significant difference in result among students of arts, science and management. H1 says that we have the significant difference. At least one group is different from others. So this is the null and alternative hypothesis. Now let's understand how to perform it in JAMOVI. So first you go to analysis. In analysis we have the option of ANOVA, and in ANOVA we have the option of one-way ANOVA. Analysis, ANOVA, one-way ANOVA, you click on it. You can see this dialog box on your screen. So what is our dependent variable? Our dependent variable is result. What is our grouping variable? Our grouping variable is stream. You can select descriptive table, that will give you the mean of all three groups, normality test and homogeneity test. So this normality test will help you to understand whether our dependent variable is normally distributed or not, and homogeneity test will help us to understand whether we have homogeneous variances or not. So here you can see the normality test, the result of normality test. All p values are greater than 0.05, so we fail to reject H naught, and therefore result is normally distributed. Result is normally distributed. So we can use one-way ANOVA. Now let's see homogeneity of variance test. So here variance is, the result is p value is less than 0.05. So we reject H naught and we conclude that variances are not equal, and therefore here you can see in this section, in variances section, we have the by default selection is don't assume equal variances. So since our variances are not equal, we do not need to change this. If your variances are equal, you can select assume equal. Now let's see descriptive table. So here we have the mean result of each stream. So 31.3 marks for arts, 26.8 marks for science, and 36.4 marks for management. Now we are going to see the F statistic. So this is F statistic, and associated p-value is less than 0.001. That means we reject H naught. Now if we reject H naught, that means we have the significant difference in result among students of arts, science and management. We have significant difference. But now we want to check that which group is different from others. To check that, we need to perform post hoc analysis. So here if you see, we have the option of post hoc tests. So you select it, select a key, and then we have select mean difference and report significance. So therefore you will see the post hoc analysis here. So basically post hoc analysis gives us the group wise comparison. So let's understand how to interpret it. This shows the difference between arts and science. The mean difference is 4.50, but it is not statistically significant, and therefore arts and science groups are not different from each other. Arts, the mean of arts is not significantly different from science. Now you check arts and management. Mean difference is minus 5.0 and associated p-value is 0.104, which is greater than 0.05. So again, mean of arts is not significantly different from management. So arts is not significantly different from science and management. Okay, now we will check science and management. So here we have science and management. Mean difference is minus 9.60 and p-value is less than 0.05. Therefore it is statistically significant. So mu of science, that is mean of science, is significantly different from management. Now let's understand this interpretation. So that means due to this difference between science and management students, we have the overall significance in the ANOVA test. So this is how we perform the one-way ANOVA and post hoc analysis in the JAMOVI. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.